Actually, guys, this is my favorite food. I really like it than meat. I really like it. This is my favorite food. And it was so sweet, guys. So, hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Passy. If it was first time, go and subscribe. Check me out. Subscribe to my channel. It's Passy. I'm rooting to 4K subscriber, guys. Kindly take me there, my people. Thank you for the returning subscribers, for always coming back and watching my video. So guys, today's video, it was an amazing video. So maybe you can wait, you can see what am I going to do now, guys. Yeah. So I'm heading to the river. As you see, I'm heading to the river. And here, guys, I have my utensils. Maybe if I will reach there in the river, you'll see what am I going to do there. So follow me, guys. Follow me, guys. Yeah, you can see where I'm heading to.
Oh, single mom, standing strong. Oh, yeah. Through the nights you've held on. Oh, prayers rising, tears have flown. Now the seeds of hope are sown. Asante, Asante, shout it loud, no more tears. Lift the clouds, food for the kids, shoes on your feet, dance and shout, feel the beat.
Finally, guys, as you see, I'm in the river. Then now, guys, I want to wash my utensils. After that, guys, we are going to see what is going to follow. Inside here, hope this is a jug. And on my jug, oh, I have flour inside. Yeah. And here, guys, oh, I really have the cooking oil. But although, guys, I just put inside here, but this is not an energy drink, no, it was cooking oil inside. Then, guys, here I really have my sonnet, and this is omena, so I can put it here. Yeah. Hey, these stones actually really look like a table, guys. Oh my god. Yeah. Guys, so then I have this. I'm supposed to put here. This is a tomato. This is a matchbox. Hey, guys, you know, without this one, you can't even light the fire. This is an onions. Yeah, so guys, this must be here. It will help me somewhere. So guys, this is my utensils. This is my two spoons. Yeah, but it was not clean. I'm going to wash it because what is here, guys? Those are my utensils, guys. Guys, here, what am I going to do? All my utensils, to clean my utensils. Let me put. Guys, today this is my kitchen of today. Yeah, I'm finishing now washing my utensils. Then guys, what is missing here? It was firewood. Now guys, I'm going to correct some firewood. Then I can bring it here. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, guys, actually our liver. Can you see how it was just? So let me try to collect some firewood. Then I can go and light my fire. Then I can cook. And so let me correct that side there. Yeah. the one from here. It can be work. So I hope this can be enough for today. Guys, welcome to my kitchen. This is my kitchen of today. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's see what am I going to cook today. Yeah. So the fire I can put even here. So guys, I'm supposed to arrange my kitchen. Now this is the utensils and I'm supposed to put the 3 stones here. Then I can yeah, so let me try to see if the sufuria will be. Yeah, this is my kitchen of today. So this is the sufuria. This one is for cooking. Yeah. Oh, hey, my stance is amazing. Can you come closer, then you can see people how actually I just make. Unaweza onyesha na kamera hivi kwa mafiga, sio mimi sana. Yeah, actually this is my 3 stones and let me see if the sufuria will be okay. So you can put it like this way. Oh my god, actually the sufuria is now ready, so I can bring water and I can light first the fire. Yeah, so let's rudi. Guys, as we see, I have here the firewood. Guess what, I don't have water now guys. I'm supposed to bring you water. This is water. So guys, I'm going to arrange the kitchen now. So I can put here. Where I can put what? Or maybe I can put it here. So guys, then this is utensils. Now I can put it here. Because guys, I'm going to use here to cook. So fire it can become out. So then I can put this here. This is my So my people, now I'm going to start cooking first the small fish. I think small fish is here. Let me show you guys. I'm going to start cooking the small fish first. So guys, maybe I can yeah, so guys, I'm going to so guys, as we see, now I'm just removing the head from the small fish. Yeah, you know guys, if you can't remove, you can eat when it was looking with you like this way. But guys, you know the rural people doesn't remove this one. They say that if you want to eat the sweetest small fish, you can cook with the head. But me guys, sometimes I remove it because these small fish are big. That's why you see I'm just removing. But the small one, I can't remove it. Like this one, I can't remove. But this, it was big. So I'm supposed to remove it to make the small fish to be, when I cook, it can become sweet, guys. Yeah. So, and removing some small that from inside. Yeah. So guys, go with me. Ah, wait so that you can see how I'm making. Then man, the small fish is ready. Now I want to light the fire. Then I can cook. Where's my matchbox? Matchbox is here, guys. So I'm supposed now. Unaonyesha liko. Nagororoke hano moro munagoro. Gororoke munangu bangi kijiga. Nasema hakupo ndio nachopanga sana. Guys, now fire is ready as we see. Now it was time for roasting the small fish. Then, yeah, I can cook gari. Sasa hayombe hakuna wimuki. Iga. Norora isurie kaset kusimama side moja ulinguringa hara. Uchaunike kero hana kama hano hogo kasani. So I want to wash it now. The small fish. Karando kita ugianani. Tuang kemereka. Asha watu wakiona wena yawa. Pero gandega na makirundo mana kobo. No to kemereka nda homara manche ho. So guys, this is the cooking oil I'm supposed now to put. This cooking oil, guys, I see I must mafuta. Na karoti hizi zinaonekana kingi. Sasa I'm supposed to sit here. Then nimiliki vile nakata sasa. Anga hayere mereki. Sasa hiyo moto wake kama na hapa. Kuna vogo kwa sasa. I'm supposed to put this first, then the tomato. I will finish putting the tomato at the last chance again. Oh, I just forget to put the salt, and you know, the salt is important, guys. Take this one here. See, the salt is here. So now it can be wait here. So I want to wake up now. Then I can put my fire again. Nitaponda vile ninapika sasa. Guys, now the onion is almost. Then I can put now the tomato. The tomato it will be in the last stage, guys. Yeah. Hmm? Guys, now I have just put inside the tomato. Like now, guys, like 5 minutes. Like 5 minutes now, I'm going to put down the small fish. Then I can put ugari. Mereka mau apa mah hilang kok. Go imu kiambi ke sori sori taro. Kamu sa ha hesira. Sio menye ho. Apa sih ganggu cuma. Ndai go. Una record. Suanga itu.
Now behind saying my home so true. Let's come together, me and you. Ooh, yeah. No more fighting, no more tears. Let's heal the pain of all these years. Forgive, let's sing, let's dance. Now Bohan said this is our chance. Appreciate the love we've got. Together strong, forget we fought.
The sun still shines, the sky still blue. Now Bohanse will make it through.
Ooh, yeah.
No crying now, no hearts to break. Just love and peace for all our sake.
Forgive, let's sing,
Let's dance. Now Bohanse, this is our chance. Appreciate the love we've got. Together strong, forget we fought.
oh, 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 We're family, remember that. A bond unbroken, strong and flat.
Ooh,
Hand in hand, let's build anew. Now Bohan said it starts with you. Forgive, let's sing, let's dance. Now Bohan said this is our chance. Appreciate the love we've got. Together strong, forget we fought. Oh, oh,
Welcome. I want to cook now. What is boiled as you see. Now water is just boiled. Now I want to put inside the flour. After the flour is here, guys. This is maize corn flour. Yeah. I want to put now. So guys, you must do like this way before you cook. You put the cloth. Then
Anakwambia.
Kina mahindi na mahi. So, let me wait now ugali to be toko then. Then I can start cooking. That's how we cook the ugari. So guys, as you see, first I'm just done my part. Now it was just waiting to eat. Now I'm going to dish now, guys. You see? Yeah. So actually, that's how we really cook the food in Africa. That's how we cook the small fish. For the person who doesn't know how to cook, that's the style that we use to cook the small fish, guys. Yeah, as you see, it was now yummy. Yeah, it was so sweet, guys. It was so sweet. Now, guys, imagine I'm going now to enjoy the food. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy the food. So kindly guys, go and check me out. Subscribe on my channel if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe on my channel, share the video, like, and drop some sweet comment down there guys, and let me know how do you think about the video of today. Let me know how do you think about the video of today guys in the comment section down there guys. Thank you for the returning subscriber for always coming back and watching my video. I can't take it for granted. It was God guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. So guys, take me to 4K subscriber. I'm rotting there guys. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Welcome guys to enjoy. We can enjoy together this meal. Welcome guys. So guys, I'm going to end here the video of today. Let me test for so people they can see that I'm just testing before I end my video of today guys. Yeah, before I end I want to test guys. Yeah, I can see how I'm just cooking guys. Actually guys, this is my favorite food. I really like it than meat. I really like it. This is my favorite food, and it was so sweet guys. So guys, thank you so much. And as I told you, I'm going to end the video of today. So guys, watch me until the end. Bye bye guys.